Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I already have my makeup on, so today I'm going to instead be talking to you about hair. Specifically, I want to give you a quick review on the LUSH Shampoo and Conditioner Soap Bars. And you might be thinking, how the hell do you use shampoo that comes in a bar form? And that's what I'm here to tell you. So, first thing first, the details. I got these shampoo and conditioner bars from Lush, a place that kind of focuses on providing natural and organic hair and skincare. They have a bunch of bath bombs and they have candles and they have body washes and lotions and all that stuff. But I specifically went for the shampoo because I heard someone tell me about it and she has really nice hair, so I decided I want to try it for myself and I want to share my experience with you. They have a variety of options in store, but I went straight to the sales rep and told her, yo, I want to try this. Which one do I take? And she was very nice. She was a lovely person and she asked me what type of hair do I want and what type of hair care do I want. And after I told her I have dry hair that I want to keep hydrated and I want my hair to be a little bit less frizzy, she gave me two options to choose from. And for the shampoo, I decided on this one called Honey, I Washed My Hair. The reason I ended up picking this one was because the other one had argan oil in it, and I have argan oil I apply in my hair after I washed it, so I wanted something with some different benefits in it. After picking it out, she put it in this little paper bag for me, and it says the following. Honey, I washed my hair. No more need to comb the shelves for caramel-scented, soothing hair care. Rub this bar between your hands or straight into wet hair. Lather, massage, and rinse out. Self-preserving and suitable for vegetarians. These bars are very fragrant. My bathroom has been smelling like these since I first used them, which is quite nice. This does have a vanilla scent to it, but kind of the smell you'd expect from a vanilla candle and not quite the vanilla you get in sticks. If you were to look at it close up, it's a little irregular, but it's a little flat circle. And you can see there are some bigger chunks held together by something thinner. So I got in the shower with this and I wet it and then rubbed it between my hands. I then held my hands under the water a little bit and rubbed for 5 seconds under the water, kind of to just break that first layer of it so that it really did start lathering up. But it didn't feel like it was lathering that much in my hands. Eventually I did have like a little bit of white foam on top of both of my hands, so I decided cool, I'd put it down and take it to my hair. And then I put it in around my hair and in the middle and all that, and then once it was actually in my hair, it did start lathering up quite nicely. But usually when I wash my hair, I put shampoo in twice, so I first worked that through my hair, massaged it in and then rinsed it out, and then went in a second time, rubbed the soap between my hands again for some more shampoo, and then rubbed it in the exact same way, and the second time it foamed up a lot better. Which usually happens the second time you wash your hair, but I really enjoyed this because it was a fragrant experience. These scents are definitely not subtle, and not only did the bathroom smell like this afterwards, but my hair definitely did have a soft hint of the scent in it. I wouldn't say it's overwhelming, but it's worth noting that you are going to smell like the products you are using. I rinsed it out of my hair with no real issue. I didn't feel it was difficult. I didn't feel like there was any residue left in my hair. I was pretty happy with it. It worked like a normal shampoo and it smelled good while I was doing it. It was weird the way you put it in. I wasn't entirely used to that, purely because I'm used to like scooping a gel out of my hand and then putting it in my hair. Now it was already foamed up and I just put it in. But it's something you quickly get used to. I just think it's an important thing to find a place to put these bars down so that they don't sit in a liquid and get all gross and soggy and dissolve in the container they're in. Next up is the conditioner. It's this oval pink one. And if you look at it up close, the texture is similar to the white one. The big chunks are just bigger in this. They obviously don't have any writing on them, so you're gonna have to remember which color is the shampoo and which one is the conditioner. But again, with this one, we let the sales rep help us. She gave us two options, and I actually let the neighbor choose, and he ended up choosing this one. He said it's partly because the other one was purple, and he knows I don't like purple, but I'm very happy with this decision because it smells like strawberries. It's called the American Cream Solid, and she also put in a little paper bag like this, and the writing says, fresh juice of both strawberries and orange for shine and softness, while agave syrup helps to lock in moisture for longer. Lather up with water, thereafter work foam into wet hair once shampooed. So I grabbed this one after shampooing my hair and I put it under the water again, same thing, tried lathering it up, and it felt like it wasn't giving off as much as the shampoo. It was a little harder to get it onto my hands, and I tried working it into my hair from the bottom up the way I usually apply conditioner, but it felt like I just wasn't applying enough. So eventually I gave up doing it that way and I took the bar and rubbed it straight into my hair. I was a little worried about rubbing it into my hair because number one, it would be an odd experience. I never rubbed soap against my head, but this was on the ends of my hair, and I tried my best not to just create random friction, but I went from side to side and rubbed all the way down to the ends in an attempt to not damage my hair. In my head, I'm coating it in conditioner so it won't be damaged by rubbing it like this. But one of my complaints definitely was that it was really difficult to get enough conditioner onto my hair. It felt like I wasn't really applying any. But after a good few minutes of working it into my hair, I thought I had to have something on by now, so I left it on for a while, did everything else I had to do in the shower, wash my face, wash myself, shave, and all that jazz. All the while smelling like strawberries. This doesn't smell like a fresh strawberry. It smells like something that's meant to smell like strawberries. It does have that artificial strawberry smell to it. It's also very sweet with a little hint of fragrance underneath, but I wouldn't say it's unpleasant. It does still register as strawberry. But after a few minutes, I finally rinsed out my hair, and my hair did feel nice and soft. It felt smooth as I was rinsing it out, and I was thinking maybe I'm just being very hopeful that this shampoo and conditioner works, but it was nice. And after my shower, after my hair dried, my hair felt lighter and smoother, and I really did enjoy that. My hair did feel 100% clean, which was all the shampoo had to do in the first place, and my hair did feel nice and silky. The neighbor also said my hair had a little bit more shine to it. His hair as well, he also used it, was also a little bit more shiny and a little bit more poofy, but in a good way, not in a frizzy way. So my first impression is that the shampoo and conditioner bar is actually worth using because I definitely did enjoy the experience of using it, and I enjoyed the outcome. If you're interested in buying these yourself, they were 120 Rand each, so a total of 240. I think that translates to under $10 each, which ultimately isn't a bad price for shampoo or conditioner, but I am a student and kind of want to keep costs as low as possible, which is part of the appeal of these products. I'm hoping because they're in a bar form, they're going to end up lasting longer than if they're in the liquid form that you usually get shampoo in. The person that did tell me about these said they lasted her over 5 months, and that's usually not the case with a bottle of shampoo. Now obviously I don't know how long these last yet, I've only used them once now, but I'll be sure to let you know in the description how long they ended up lasting, and if they're a more cost-effective alternative to your regular shampoo and conditioner. An advantage I can already see to these bars is that they're going to make it really easy to travel with shampoo and conditioner, because shampoo and conditioner bottles are usually pretty bulky and difficult to pack, and these are really small, so they're easy to just throw into your toiletries bag. And if you really want to take a small bit, you can cut the bar in half and have an even smaller section to take with you, versus having to find a small bottle that you can squirt shampoo in and hope you actually take enough with you for how long you're going to the place you're going to and all of that struggle. But as of now, these Lush shampoo and conditioner bars have my stamp of approval. They're fun to use and I think they smell quite nice. But as of now, my opinion of the shampoo and conditioner is pretty positive. I enjoyed the outcome, I enjoy the way they smell, and I enjoyed the experience of using them. If you have used these before, feel free to let me know down below what your opinion was of it. If it's something you would buy again, or if it's something you're kind of waiting to just finish so you can move on to the next thing. If you haven't, let me know how you feel about using a shampoo bar in your hair. Because initially the concept sounded really weird to me, because I don't want to be rubbing soap in my hair, because I know using hand soap in your hair is bad and it feels like the same thing, or at least that's what I thought, but it ended up being a fun experience the way I used it, which just goes to show just because something isn't the usual doesn't mean it is bad. And then if you found this review interesting or helpful, please feel free to hit that thumbs up button so that I have a higher chance of showing up in search results, and you're also more than welcome to hit that subscribe button to see what I get up to next. If you're looking for the next video to watch, the video uploaded just before this one is one where I show you how I got this makeup look and give you a little bit of update of my life and what I did while we were in lockdown. So I'll have all that linked down below for you. But then that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed washing my hair with this stuff. And then I'll see you again next time. Bye! For those of you curious, does not taste good. Tastes like shampoo. It has like a little bit of a burny taste to it. Would not recommend tasting it.